Hello everyone. Today we will learn about simple present tense. In simple present tense, first we will discuss about positive, negative and interrogative. लेकिन इससे पहले हम जान लें सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस कब यूज किया जाता है। जब रोजिंदी रोज बरोज की चीज जो होती है वो बताने के लिए सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस यूज किया जाता है। सो फर्स्ट पॉइंट, पॉजिटिव। सेकेंड पॉइंट, नेगेटिव। And third point, we will discuss question. Okay. So first of all, we will learn the structure of the positive simple present tense. Positive. Subject plus V1 plus S or ES, and second one, subject plus V1 plus object. Here also we can add object. So in positive, why we have written two structure? क्यों हमने दो स्ट्रक्चर लिखा? So इससे पहले जानना पड़ेगा know about subject. So I, we, you, they, he, she, it. These all are subjects. But first we will discuss about the first person, singular and plural. So I and we, it is a first person, singular and plural respectively. Second person, singular you and plural also you. Third person, singular he, she, it and plural they. So third person singular, we can use this structure he, she, it. Then subject, then S or ES, and then object. And remaining I, we, you, they. We can use this structure. Now I will explain some example. Before starting the example, also I will give some knowledge about when we will use S or ES. So whenever we will discuss about the verb, after the verb S, double S, CH, SH, X and O. These types of letter will come, then we will use ES. And in remaining verb, we will use S. Like teach, teaches. Go, goes. So in this way verb we can use. And then remaining in subject I, we, you, they, only verb number 1. Example 1. He, it is a subject. He, then verb. Teach, Also V1 subject V1 and CH given, that's why we will put here teaches. He teaches English. Okay. Number 2, C. C cook food. C cooks food. Here you are observing that S, double S, CH, SH, X, O. This letter is not given, that's why directly we will put S and remaining we will use ES. Now from this structure 3, they play cricket. They play cricket. So they, it is a subject, play, it is a V1 and cricket, it is a object. So I hope that you can understand very well positive structure. Once again repeat positive structure: subject plus V1 plus S or ES plus object. This structure we can use for only third person singular, he, she, it. And then second structure we can use for this I, we, you and they. You will revise and then we will start negative structure. Okay, positive structure already we have learned. Now we will discuss about the negative structure. So negative structure, whenever third person singular given at the time, subject plus does plus not plus V1 plus object. Remember properly, whenever third person singular he, she, it given at the time, we can use he, she, it and then does. And then I, we, you, they, subject plus do plus not plus V1 plus object. Okay, do not, short form of do not, don't, and short form of does not, doesn't. Okay, so now we will compare some example with negative form. Here subject he, okay, he, and then does not, then what is a V1? V1 teach, and object English. Here you are observing that we are not using ES. Why? Because already we have put here does. That's why we have to remove it. He does not teach English. Number 2, C. It is a third person singular. So does will come. C does not cook food. She does not cook food. Number 3, it is an example of second structure. They, then do, not, then V1, then object. That means They do not play cricket. Okay, so in this way we can understand very well. One more example I am giving. Ramesh, he is a third person singular. So Ramesh, G-O, that means O, means goes. Ramesh goes to school. And here fourth, Ramesh does not go to school. So you can understand very well about positive and negative. In negative, we can use do and does. So does we can use with the singular third person. He, she, it. And do we can use with the I, we, you, they. I hope that you can understand very well, and you will practice more and more example and collect the various types of verb and practice in this way, compare to each other, positive and negative. And after some time we will discuss about questions, means interrogative. Okay, now we will start the question form of the simple present tense. So, in question form we have a two structure. Number one, do, does plus subject plus V1 plus object and then question mark. And second structure, WH, that means what, why, who, what, why, where, etc. Then do does plus subject plus V1 plus object plus question mark. With the help of two structure, here positive examples given. Through this example, we will convert into this according to this structure. Question number one, he teaches English. In negative, do you know very well, he does not teach English. But now, whenever we are converting into questions, so at the time, according to the first structure, it is a singular, that means does, then subject, he, then V1, teach, then object, English, and then question mark. So you are observing that here do does, then subject, then verb, then object, and then question mark. Now, with the help of WH, you want to form the question, then we can ask that what, then same structure, what, then does he teach, then question mark. So we will not write the English because we are asking with WH, that's why. What does he teach? He, then answer we will get, he teaches English. Remember carefully, whenever that does he teach English, then we will get the answer in a yes or no. But whenever we will ask the question through the WH, then we will get the answer in this way. What does he teach? He teaches English. It is an answer. Number 2. She cooks food. That means, does she cook food? Yes or no? And second way, what does, and then also we can ask that why does she cook food? Question mark. So through this question we will get the answer. Reason, why does she cook food? क्यों वो फूड पकाती है? And then number 3, they play cricket. So number 3, that means do will come. Do they play cricket? Do they play cricket? Yes or no? And in another way, we want to ask about that what do they play? Then we will get the answer. Now, according to the 4, Ramesh goes to school. Ramesh goes to school. Suppose we have to ask about WHO. So who? It is a different structure. That means who goes to school? That means we will get the answer. Ramesh goes to school. Here compulsory we have to put S or ES. So in this way you will practice more and more examples, and I hope that you can understand very well simple present tense. Do you like this video? Please like it and subscribe to it. Thank you.